Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language on Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack application or just open up any of your browser and just go to Google and search for Slack. And there you'll find slack.com. Just open that. Then just give it a few seconds. And under My Workspaces, you're going to find all of your workspaces. Just open any of them. Just click on Launch. Then just give it a few seconds. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser, and after that, it will load the workspace for you. Now, on the extreme left hand side, you're going to see your profile icon. You can just click on this. And after that, you can go to Preferences. And in Preferences, on the left hand menu, you're going to find a lot of options. You just have to go to Language and Region. And from here, you're going to find your language option. You can just select the drop down menu and see all other language options from here. For example, let's say I select Spanish. And after that, as you can see, everything, the entire language has been changed to Spanish. And basically, that is how to change language on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.